Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today there was an update in Instagram wherein you can now add hashtags on your posts. So let's say I want to post this picture right here, which I saw online and they were selling these Genshin Impact swords. And from here, you want to just add a caption and then start with hashtags. So let's say sword. And from here, you can just play with it, check what's best check what's best for your Instagram account, check what is going right for your Instagram account. This may not be a one day solution for you to become popular, but as time goes on, you will be able to learn the concept of using the hashtags in your Instagram account. So let's say I want to add more. As this is related to Genshin Impact, I want to also hashtag Genshin Impact. So from there, just click on share, and then as you can see, now it's posted. You want to go to your Instagram account, and then from here, as you can see, it is now posted with the hashtags hashtag sword and hashtag Genshin Impact. I want to play with this not only for a day, not only for a week, but for some months, I guess, for some years, for it to actually develop and for you to actually be able to adapt what hashtag is going to work for your Instagram account. So I thank you guys for watching. If you want more daily content like this, make sure to smash that like button and be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.